ओ नमो नमः. Learning Sanskrit step by step. Step number 9. सोपसर्गाः आतिदेशिकाश्च धातवः Part 1. Your co-student S.L. Abhyankar. Mr. Mahesh Pandey pointed out that in my video of step number 11, I made a mention causatives as discussed in step number 9. But there is no video of step number 9. Thanks to him for pointing out the lapse. We shall study not only causatives but much more. May it be noted that causatives are a type of atideshikaha dhatavah. The title here is Sopasargaha Atideshikascha Dhatavah. Sopasargaha and Atideshikaha Dhatavah are dhatavah derived from basic dhatavah, say Mula Dhatavah. What are Mula Dhatavah? Mula Dhatavah are dhatavah listed in Dhatu Patha, which is an important annexure of Ashtadhyayi. From the Mula Dhatavah, one gets more Dhatavah in two ways, with prefixes Sopasargaha, Sa plus Upasargaha, Upasarga Sahitaha, and Atideshikaha, with suffixes Sapratyayaha, that is Pratyaya Sahitaha. Sopasargaha Dhatavah. There are 20 Upasargaha which can be prefixed to Mula Dhatavah. They may be prefixed singularly or even more than one together. So, number of Sopasargaha Dhatavah becomes a large number. Here is a good shloka to remember about Sopasargaha Dhatavah. Upasargena dhatvartho baladanyatra niyate प्रहाराहार संहार विहार परिहारवत. Upasargena, by upasargaha, dhatvartha, meaning of a dhatu, balad anyatra, balat anyatra, forcefully elsewhere, niyate is carried. Praharahara samhara vihara pariharavat. Prahara, ahara, samhara, vihara, parihara, vat. As can be seen from the words prahara, a hit, ahara, a meal, samhara, destruction, vihara, enjoyment, parihara, appeasement. Note, hara, the common component in all these words, is obtained from dhatu ru, which has two connotations. Rhi harane, to take away, to carry, to steal, to acquire. Vadi, prathamagadiya, ubhayapadi, vikarmakaha anit. B. Ru prasayhakarane, to take forcibly, to rape, juhotyadi. Tritiya ganiya, parasmaypadi, sakarmakaha anit. The 5 different prefixes, upasargaha here, pra, a, sam, vi and pari, change the meaning drastically. There are such prefixes in English also. See, admit, remit, permit, submit, or inject, reject, project, subject, object. The 20 upasargaha in Sanskrit are ati, adhi, anu, apa, api, abhi, ava, ang, bracket a, ut, upa, duhu, ni, nihi, para, pari, pra, prati, vi, sam, su. What I have done is, in the first line, I have listed the upasargaha which begin with a vowel, a, ati, adhi. And then in the second line, I have listed the upasargaha which begin with a consonant, duhu, ni, nihi, para, pari, pra, prati, vi, sam, su. Note, ang is the grammatical name of the upasargaha a. Some people consider upasargaha to be 22, counting duhu as dus or dur and nihi as nis or nir. As such, the visarga of duhu also changes to sh in dushchitta and to sh in dushta. Likewise, visarga of nihi also changes to sh in nishchita. and to sh in nishtha. So the upasarga duhu may be seen as duhu dur dush dush das dus. So also the upasarga ni. I think it is good to take upasarga to be 20. In Uptake Dictionary, meaning of swopasarga dhatavah such as upastha are detailed independently from mula dhatuhu stha, because meaning of swopasarga dhatuhu is different from the meaning of the mula dhatu. In step number 7 of this particular series, there was study of lang lakara. All tigantaha of lang lakara begin with a. In case of swopasargaha dhatvaha, first the tigantaha are to be formatted and the upasargaha are to be prefixed to the tigantaha. Obviously, if there is an occasion for a sandhi between the upasargaha and the tigantaha, that sandhi is to be compulsorily to be done. For example, as mentioned in the first slide of step number 7, lang lakaraha prathama purushaha ekvachanam of bhu is abhavat. With upasargaha anu, the tigantaha becomes anu plus abhavat. Anu to be prefixed to abhavat, the formatted word. And then anu plus abhavat becomes anvabhavat. Abhavat became, anvabhavat experience. Atideshika atideshikaha dhatava. Note, in the name atideshikaha dhatava, the word atideshikaha means going to, belonging to, assimilating another, additional, atishayaha, domain, deshaha. Atideshikaha dhatavaha, as has been mentioned earlier, are obtained from mula dhatavaha by adding suffixes, pratyayaha. The number of suffixes which can be suffixed to basic dhatavaha to obtain atideshikaha dhatavaha are 12. But atideshikaha dhatavaha can also be swopasargaha. So the number of usable dhatavaha becomes a very large number. And all dhatavaha, mula dhatavaha, swopasargaha dhatavaha, atideshikaha dhatavaha, swopasargaha atideshikaha dhatavaha are all independently meaningful. One may wonder why one should obtain the atideshikaha dhatavaha. The simple answer is that it is the culture of linguistics of Sanskrit that it seeks to provide for the formation of such words by which a thing can be said by fewer words. The atideshikaha dhatavaha, also called as sanadyantaha dhatavaha, is one such provision. Note, sanadyantaha means san adayaha ante, that is pratyaya rupena yesham te. Sanadayaha, san adayaha are pratyayaha. These pratyayaha affixed for obtaining atideshikaha dhatavaha are 12. The first among these 12 pratyayaha is san. Hence, these are called as san adayaha. San adihi yeshamti. Sanadaya. There are 5 modes of these atideshikaha or sanadyantaha dhatavaha. Sannantaha, sanantaha, desideratives. Nijantaha, nich antaha, causatives. Yangantaha, yang antaha, frequentatives. Antaha means ending. San antaha, ending with san. Nich antaha, nijantaha means ending with nich. Ending with, because pratyaya is at the end. Yang antaha, yang antaha, frequentatives. Yang lugantaha, yang look antaha, with excess of frequentativeness. Namadhatavaha, denominatives. These are all best explained by examples. Let us study them one by one. Sannantaha, sanantaha dhatavaha, desideratives. The formatting suffix has its grammatical name san, but it is affixed as so only. But the process is not as simple. The first consonant of the mula dhatu is duplicated by itself or by a consonant of similar characteristics. If there is an upasarga, that will be retained in its prefixing position only. The upasarga will be retained in its prefixing position only. Because sannantaha dhatavaha are desiderative, their meaning can be explained by ichhati, desires to, wishes to. See the example. Bhu bhavati becomes. Bubhushati, that is bhavitum ichhati, wishes to be. Note, a single word bubhushati conveys the meaning bhavitum ichhati. Note, bhu is duplicated by bu. And sa is added as a sh and whatnot. Gam gachhati, goes. Jigamishati, that is gantum ichhati, wishes to go. Note, ga is duplicated by za, actually by za plus e, ji, jigamishati. Kru, karoti, does. Chikirshati, that is kartum ichhati, wishes to do. Note, ka is duplicated by cha, actually by cha plus e, chi, chikirshati. Drush, pashyati, sees. Didrukshate, that is drashtum ichhati, wishes to see. Note, the is duplicated by the plus e, di. Note, drush pashyati has parasmaipadam. Didrukshate has atmanepadam. So that is why I said the whole process is not simple. Shru, shrunoti, shushrushate, that is shrotum ichhati, wishes to listen to. Note, sh in shru is duplicated by sh plus u, shu, and hence shu shrushate. Shrunoti has parasmaipadam. Shushrushate has atmanepadam. Jna janati, jidnyasate, that is jnatum ichhati, wishes to know. Note, za in jna. Jna is za plus nya. So beginning consonant is za and is duplicated by za plus e, ji. Janati has parasmaipadam. Jidnyasate has atmanepadam. Aap, apnoti. Now here the beginning is a vowel. Aap, apnoti, gets, acquires, gains. Ipsati, that is aptum ichhati, wishes to gain. Note, a is duplicated by e plus e. Ji jayati, jigishati, that is jetum ichhati, wishes to win. Note, ji is duplicated by jigi shati. Apart from these examples, it should also be noted that in the case of three dhatavaha, gup, tij and kit, san is inherent in the formatting of their tigantaha. Gup, tij and kit are mula dhatavaha, and their formatting is inclusive of san. So gup, jugupsate, tij, titikshati, kit, chikitsati. Obviously, there cannot be further sannantaha of these dhatavaha, because mula dhatavaha, the formation of their tigantaha, is itself inclusive of san. Obtaining sannantaha dhatavaha is not a simple process. There are processes, prakriyaha involved. I would not go into those at this stage. The discussion here is with the idea that one should at least be able to recognize their tigantaha when one would come across them when studying Sanskrit text. Basic point to be noted is that the sannanta tigantaha jidnyasate compacts the two words jnatum ichhati into one word, jidnyasate. Now, nijantaha, nichantaha dhatavaha, causatives. The pratyaya nich is affixed as e only. But the process again is not as simple. Let us see some examples. Bhu bhavati. By nich bhavayati. Note, nich adds to bhu as e. So, nijanta dhatu of bhu is bhu plus e, bhavi. Gam gacchati. Gam plus nich, gamayati. Makes go, causes going. Note, nich adds to gam as e. So, nijanta dhatu of gam is gam plus e, gami. Kru, karoti. By nich, karayati. Makes do, causes doing. Note, nijanta dhatu of kru is kari. Drush, pashyati. By nich, darshayati. Makes see, causes seeing, shows. Note, nijanta dhatu of drush is darshi. Han, hanti. By nich, ghatayati. Causes harm. Note, nijanta dhatu of han is ghati. Da, dadati. By nich, dapayati. Causes giving. Note, nijanta dhatu of da is dapi. Pat, pathati. By nich, pathayati. Note, nich is the grammatical name of this pratyaya. Actually, it affixes only as e, as has been explained earlier. Nijanta dhatu of pat is pat plus e, which becomes pathi. The prakriya generally is a in pa suffers vruddhi and becomes a, and hence pa. Nich in e affixes to th becomes thi. Finally, pat plus nich becomes pathi. May it be noted that nich, patha plus nich becomes pathi by virtue of the prakriya, whereby, as I mentioned earlier, this is duplicated. A in pa suffers vruddhi and becomes a, hence pa. Nich in e suffixes to th becomes thi. Finally, pat plus nich, pathi. Asya lat lakarasya prathama purushayika vichanasya rupam pathi plus shap plus ti, pathayati. For more complete and clearer grammatical understanding, note ayam pratyaya nich 3.1.21, 3.1.25, 3.1.26 etaihi sutraihi diyate. Nich pratyaya is detailed in 3 sutrani. Sutram 3.1.21. Munda mishra shlakshana lavana vrata vastra hala kala kruta tustebhyo nich. The long word in the sutram is a compound word containing components munda, mishra, shlakshana, lavana, vrata, vastra, hala, kala, kruta, tusta. One gets nijanta dhatavaha from these words. The example sentences and verbs are mundam karoti, shaves the head clean, mundayati. Mishrayati, mixes, adulterates. Shlakshanayati. Note shlakshana, adjective. Shlish, ksna, soft, gentle, mild, bland, as words, etc. Hence, shlakshanayati makes soft. Lavanayati, lavanam, salt. Lavanayati makes salty. Vratat, from the word vrata, vratayati, observed as a vow. Vastrat, from the word vastra and the upasarga sam, in the instance of samachhadane, covering completely, samvastrayati. Halingrunnhati, wields a plow, halayati. Kalingrunnhati, kalayati. Now there is a mention, halikalyoradantatva nipatanam sanvadbhava pratishedartham aja halat acha kalat. This is some detail of grammatical nuance. We would not go into that. Actually, dhatu kal itself makes an interesting study. At ashtadhyayi.com, kal, kalang, shabda sankhyana yoho, to sound, to count, भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी अकर्मकः सेट्. Also कल कलं क्षेपे टू थ्रो टू मेक समथिंग फ्लाई. चुरादिः दशमगणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः सेट्. When detailed as चुरादिः, it is a मूल धातु, not आतिदेशिक धातु. In Aptary dictionary, कल one प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी कलते कलित to count to sound. Then दशमगणीयः उभयपदी कलयति कलयते कलित to hold, bear, carry, wield, have, put on. To count, to reckon, so many meanings. And further on, दशमगणीयः परस्मैपदी, see the orange highlighted. कालयति, to push on, urge, to drive forward, to carry off, to collect, to throw, etc. As can be seen here, the form दशमगणीयः उभयपदी कलयति कलयते is चुरादि. The form दशमगणीयः परस्मैपदी कालयति by the style of its meaning to drive, that is to make move, is atideshi. Krutang grunhati, receives, acknowledges favor, krutayati. Tustani bihanti, removes knots, vitustayati, keshan, spreads hair, clarifies, vishadi karoti, explains, ityartha. That is the implicit meaning of vitustayati. Now, Sutram 3.1.25. सत्यापपाश रूप वीणा तूल श्लोक सेना लोम त्वच वर्म वर्ण चूर्ण चुरादिभ्यो निच. The long word in the sutram is again a compound word containing components satya, apa, pasha, rupa, veena, tula, shloka, sena, loma, tvacha, varma, varna, churna. Use of nijantaha dhatavaha obtained from these words is explained by the following sentences in Kashika Vritti as सत्यादिभ्यश्च चूर्णपर्यन्तेभ्यः चुरादिभ्यश्च निच प्रत्ययो भवति. सत्यम आचष्टे, sees, endorses the truth, so सत्यापयति. अर्थम आचष्टे, sees or endorses the significance, अर्थापयति. Sees, endorses the godhood, devapayati. अर्थवेदस्तत्यानाम आपुग वक्तव्यः आपुग वचन सामर्थ्यात् टिल्लोपो न भवति. This is again some grammatical nuance. We shall not go into it. पाशात् विमोचने, liberates, vipashayati. Rupat, from the word rupa, in the instance of darshane, being seen, रूपयति. वीणयोपगायति, वीणया उपगायति, उपवीणयति. Sings with the accompaniment of veena, upaveenayati. तूलेन अनुकुष्णाति, तूलेन अनुकुष्णाति, अनुतूलयति. Note, कुश नवमगणीयः परस्मैपदी कुष्णाति, to tear, extract, pull or drawn, to test or examine. Tulena anukushnati, checks by weighing balance. Anutulayati. Shlokai rupastauti, sings the praise by shlokaha, that is upashlokayati. Senayabhiyati, proceeds with sena, army, that is abhishenayati. लोमान्यनो आर्ष्टि, अनुलोमयति. Note, loman, noun. The hair on the body of men or animals. See Roman, that is also optional word. Also marshti is lat lakara, parasmaipadam, pratham purushaha ekvachanam, of mruj, mrujum, shuddhav, to cleanse, to purify. Adadihi, द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः सेट wet. So lomanjanumarshti means cleans the hair on the body. That is anulomayati. Note, anuloma viloma is a type of pranayama which cleans the respiratory tract. Anulomayati cleans the respiratory tract. Tvachangruhya grunhati, dons the skin. Tvachayati. Varmana sannayati, samvarmayati. Note, varman avrunoti angam, an armor. Also, naihati is lat lakara parasmaipadam pratham purusha ekvachanam of nah, nahang bandhane, to tie. Divadi chaturthaganiyah ubhaypadi sakarmakaha anit. So varmana sannayati means ties up an armor. So that is samvarmayati. Varnam grunhati takes the color, lends color, paints, describes. Varnayati. Churnaihi avadhvamsayati, pounds into powder. That is avachurnayati. Churadibhya. This mentioned churadibhya unto chur adayah dhatavah refers to dhatavah of churadiganaha dhatavah of the dashamaha ganaha in dhatupada. These are mula dhatavah, not atideshikaha. Chorayati, chintayati, they are all mula dhatavah. Chur, chinta. So, among nijantaha dhatavah, there are both mula dhatavah, also atideshika. Examples 1 to 14 are of atideshika. And the step number 15, Churadibhya, summarizes all the dhatavah of the Churadigana. Sutram 3-1-26. It says, Hetumati cha. Note, Hetumati. Hetumat means causative. Note, Hetuhu means cause. Hence, Hetumat means causative. Hetumati is Visheshanam, atra Napusakalingam Saptami Ekvachanam. Note, causative is the English terminology for usage or instance of niche, and Nijanta Dhatu is used in the instance that is in the sense to cause an action to happen. Actually, this Sutram 3-1-26 Hetumati cha specifies the Atideshika application of Nijantaha Dhatava. Some example sentences in Kashika Vritti are Katam Karayati. Note, Kataha means a scheme of cheating. Katam Karayati means gets a scheme of cheating to happen. Note, Karayati is from causative Nijanta Dhatuhu Kari of Mula Dhatuhu Kru. So total together Katam Karayati is Katayati. Odanam Pachayati. Note, Odanam means rice, rather boiled rice. Pachayati, causes to be cooked, is from causative Nijanta Dhatuhu Pachi of Mula Dhatuhu Pach, to cook. Sutram Karoti Sutrayati means composes an aphorism. Here, not the causative, rather the Karoti action itself of composing an aphorism gets inbuilt in the Nijanta Dhatu Sutri Sutrayati. Kausavadham achaste, kausam ghatayati. Possibly, a better example of ghatayati is in Kam ghatayati hantikam, Gita 3-2-21. Meaning is, whom does one slay or cause to be slain? Whom does one slay? Kam hanti. Or cause one to be slain? Kam ghatayati. Note, ghatayati, cause to be slain, is causative of hanti, mula dhatu han, to slay. In a way here, the causative, cause to be slain, is inclusive of passive voice, to be slain. बलिबंधम आचष्टे, बलिम बंधयति. No, balibandham achaste, balibandham achaste. Here achaste means sees, supervises. That balibandha happens. The total phrase supervises that balibandha happens is compacted by balim bandhayati. Rajagamanam achaste, rajanam agamayati. Gets the prince, the king, to come. Aratri vivasam achaste, ratrim vivasayati. Aratri, up to the end of the night, vivasam achaste. So he sees that the staying residence happens aratri. So this is literally in a Vangmaya fashion, it is mentioned as Ratrim Vivasayati. So night is made to be aboded. Ratrim Vivasayati. Ujjayinyah prasito mahishmatyam suryadgamanam sambhavayate. Suryam udgamayati. Ujjayinyah prasita. Having started from Ujjayini, Mahishmatyam comes to Mahishmati, another town, by the name Mahishmati. Suryadgamanam Saveda, and by the time he reaches Mahishmati, Suryadgamanam, Suryadgamanam, Suryasya Udgamanam, the rising of the sun, Sambhavate, makes happen. So, all this is Suryadgamanam Sambhavate can be summarized as Suryam Udgamayati. Ujjayinyah prasitaha mahishmatyam Suryam Udgamayati. That is a compacting. Nakshatra yoge jni. Pushya yogam janati pushyena yojayati magabhir yojayati. Yoge yojayati. The examples detail only Tigantaha, Lat Lakaraha, Prathama Purusha Ekvachanam. But there can of course be Tigantaha of all Lakaraha, all Purushaha, all Vachana. For example, see, Te Deva Bhavayantu Vaha in Gita 3-11. Here, Bhavayantu is Lot Lakaraha, Prathama Purushaha, Bahuvachanam of Bhavi from Dhatuhu Bhu. Basic point to be noted is that the causative karayati compacts, he makes do into a single word. Obtaining nijantaha dhatavaha is not a simple process. There are processes, prakriyaha involved. I would not go into those details at this stage. It may be noted that tigantaha of nijantaha dhatavaha are similar to those of dhatavaha of churadi ganaha, that is dashama ganaha. The discussion here is with the idea that one should be at least be able to recognize their tigantaha when one would come across them when studying Sanskrit text. We have discussed nijantaha dhatavaha. We have to discuss 10 more out of the 12 sanadayaha pratyayaha, by which one gets atideshikaha dhatavaha. We shall take a breather and hence let this be part 1 of step number 9. Shubhamastu.